Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Boar plus D plus walk. Board, walk. Boardwalk. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome again to our show. Please join me in welcoming back the lady who lost the game yesterday but makes a return appearance today. She's going to make up for that loss, believe me. Her name is Donna Potter. Hello, Donna. I almost introduced you as our returning champion because you were here on the last show, but I have to remember that under the new regime, the only way we can lose a player is 2 losses or a big win, meaning a car. And the guy who defeated you walked away with a brand new car yesterday, and that means that you have to face a newcomer. And his name is Henry Rutland. Hi, Henry. Henry, you're looking so serious. Did I do something wrong?
No, not you. No.
Where are you from?
I'm from San Diego.
Yeah? What do you do?
I'm an administrator at the University of California, San Diego.
Are you a good game player?
I hope so.
Have you demonstrated powers of concentration in your life?
I sure have. I've been concentrating very hard.
All right. Well, let's see how well it works today as you compete for this, among other prizes.
Pin Seeker's set of custom-made golf clubs, including stainless steel woods with matching radius sole irons, and a deluxe staff bag furnished by Pin Seeker. Alex.
Well, thank goodness, Gene, it's the golf clubs and the bag and not the outfit. I wonder who coordinates her wardrobe. In fact, I should go out and try and get a set like that, an outfit like that for myself for playing golf. Henry and Donna, take a look at our game board and we'll show you where you can find the custom golf clubs at number 12. Also, a holiday in Tahiti, Henry. And you get to pick first. Go for it.
Okay, very good. Tahiti, I could really use a vacation there. Let's start with my lucky number 3. And?
Diamond onyx ring.
Well, let's try to match that with a wild card. Let's try number 21.
Diamond onyx ring. Hey, how about that? First selection?
I'm really concentrating.
You are indeed. Yes, open it up for him. Let's not break his concentration. Pick again.
Okay, let's try number 5, please.
Green take.
Okay, and let's number 19.
Green take. Oh, boy, Henry. Oh, Henry, yes.
All right.
Here's your take. Keep it for insurance later on. Right now, open it up. This man's on a roll.
Let's try to keep this going. No clue about the puzzles yet. Let's see. Okay. Try number 7, please.
Living room ensemble.
I could really use that. I'm just in the process of buying a new house, so let's try to match that with number 15.
What happened, Henry?
I'm concentrating. I'm concentrating.
Okay. Donna.
All right, I'd like to see what's under number 9, please.
Bedroom set.
Oh, that'd be great. See if there's one under number 18.
No, a handcrafted area rug. But so far, we're revealing a lot of items that would please Henry a great deal if he's buying a new home. Select again, Henry.
Let's try number 23, please.
Bedroom set.
And number 9, please.
Bedroom set.
All right.
That's it. Open it. Open it. Don't delay. Go again. Well, open the doors first. Sorry. Select.
Number 4, please.
Wild card.
Okay. I have to go to Tahiti. Number 6.
Number 6 for Tahiti. What's the other number for Tahiti? Dial 2. Dial 6, 2. 3 doors swinging open in the upper part of this puzzle. We seem to be missing just a couple of important pieces. Pick again, Henry.
I don't believe we've seen under number 22.
Red take.
And number 10, please.
No, car stereo system. Donna.
Okay, I'd like to see what's under number 14, please.
Custom golf clubs.
And I know matches under number 12.
You're right, custom golf clubs over there. Minus Marjorie's outfit. 2 important pieces opening up. Go again.
Okay, how about number 16?
Car stereo system.
Oh, 15.
15? No, red take there. Henry, make your
Okay.
selection.
Number 10, please.
That's the car stereo system.
And number 16.
Right. Okay. Now, Donna has the golf clubs that we showed you at the beginning of this game.
I'm sorry, Donna, but you gotta give them up. I want the golf clubs.
You live in San Diego?
Yes,
You've
I
got
do.
Fabulous golf courses down there, and you're close to Palm Springs, too.
I work all the time, so I haven't had the time. Now that I have the clubs, I'll find the time.
You'll make the time.
Make
All
the
right.
time
Open these 2 panels for Henry.
and solve this puzzle.
Select again.
Okay. Number 13, please.
Golf lessons.
That's perfect for the golf clubs. Number 20, please.
Living room ensemble. Donna,
Number 8, please.
his and her hammocks.
Number 25, please.
His and her hammocks. He's got all of the prizes but one. Are you going to steal this game? Let's find out right now. Select.
Okay, number 17, please.
Wild card.
Number 15, please.
Red take. The other red take at 22.
Not to you.
What do you think? What?
This is a really hard choice.
What?
I can't decide. Maybe Tahiti.
It's okay, I'll get it. Bro.
All right, Tahiti goes over to Donna's side, and we open these 3 panels. And there is still a wild card left in play, and I believe Henry can solve the puzzle, Donna. Make a selection.
Number 7, please.
Living room ensemble.
Number 24.
No. Costly error. Henry,
Okay, number 13
golf lessons.
and number 24.
Golf lessons are going to be yours. The only big prize you're not going to be able to grab is Tahiti. We'll put the lessons up there. We'll open these panels. 7, 11, and 20, of course, the living room ensemble, and a wild card. And Henry, when we open these doors, we want you to solve the puzzle.
I'm so exciting.
Is it I'm so exciting? No, it is not. Donna, can you solve the puzzle?
Yes.
Well, you had to solve it
Oh,
before the
I thought
buzzer.
you were-
Hands on your signaling buttons. You can ring in after I have begun to explain it. First, we have the arrows point. Donna,
I'm so excitable.
is it I'm so excitable? Henry, can you solve this puzzle? All right, you're both very close. Hands on your signaling buttons, quick. Look at the bottom right-hand corner. We've got a T plus a head.
Excited.
Donna,
I'm so excited.
is it I'm so excited? Yes, it is. Yes, Donna, cover your face. You should be embarrassed, and Henry, you should be embarrassed. Each of you had 2 shots at it until I pointed out the area that was giving you all the problem. Let's go to the board. Now you can explain it beautifully, I'm sure. Go for it.
I'm sort of embarrassed even to do this, but I am S plus host, so I am so excited, and that's not William Shakespeare, Bill, excitable. It is head, excited. I'm so
That's
excited.
why you thought it
And
was
I'm so excited that I
excitable,
got
because
this
you
right.
thought it was built
Yes,
for William
I did.
Shakespeare. Ah.
There's
And Henry, you were so delighted to come up with a solution, you spit it out too fast.
Right.
And that caused you a little
Forgot
bit
the
of
buzzer.
confusion, and you had all those prizes up there. But right now, you've got
back.
1 X against you, and you'll be back in the next game.
Okay.
So we'll
Good
see you
luck.
then. Donna,
Did I win anything?
did you win
I don't
anything?
remember it.
Did you win anything?
Did I win that chicken?
Jean, did she win anything?
Did she win anything? His and her hammocks. Hatteras Hammocks relaxing quartet includes 2 deluxe and 2 swing hammocks. Hand woven in cotton or polyester, comes complete with stands and pillows, furnished by Hatteras Hammocks. And Tahiti. You and your guests will enjoy the supreme comfort and in-flight services to Tahiti from Los Angeles, furnished by UTA French Airlines. And sun, fun, and relaxation for 6 nights may be yours as you enjoy crystal clear lagoons and tropical rainforests. Your dream vacation may come true at the Valley High Hotel, Tahiti. And Donna, you should be so excited because these prizes total $5,581.
Now's the time to get really excited.
I am.
Ted.
I'm excited.
You should be excited. I'm going to put you to the test and see if you can win a brand new car. You remember the last champ won it in 35 seconds. There's no reason why you can't do the same. After we come back, following these messages. I just heard the strangest thing come out of our audience. Somebody shouted, "Mother and sister, mother and sister." To whom were they?
My mother and my sister.
They're here to see you win a car, I guess.
I think so, yeah.
They didn't come here to see me.
My mom did.
Your mom did? What about your sister?
She came to see me.
Hey, Mom. What's your mom's name?
Marnie.
Marnie? Hi, Marnie. You'd love to run up here and give your daughter a hug, right? No? Would you love to run up here and give me a hug? Yeah, okay. We'll work on that.
Mom.
Let's go to work, Donna. 15 numbered squares, clock, 35 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
Number 1, 3,
Nope.
4, 6,
Nope.
7, 9,
Nope.
4, 9.
Right.
10, 12,
No.
13, 15,
No.
2, 5,
No.
8, 5,
Right.
11, 10,
No.
4,
You said 4.
14.
It's not there, so 14.
2,
No.
13, 6.
You were having just a little trouble.
Yeah.
It seems...
Excited about Tahiti.
Yeah, well, I'd be excited about Tahiti, too, and that's $5,581 in prizes when you put Tahiti together with the hammocks. Those are the very expensive hammocks, so that's going to be a dazzling vacation. We'll be back with the next game after this. Each of our players at risk as we get set for game number 2. Whoever loses this game says goodbye. Whoever wins gets to play for a brand new car. And in the game, some fabulous prizes, including this one.
Up, up, and away. You'll spend a special morning seeing things from a delightful new perspective. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful scenery as you quietly float skyward on your hot air balloon ride. Alex.
Everybody else goes up, and away, and Marjorie comes down, 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 and here. Here's where you can find that prize, players. Hot air balloon ride at number 22. $500 in the cash pot. California Hot Springs vacation as well, Henry, and you go first, please.
Okay, using my lucky number 3 to look for that Hot Springs vacation.
Nope, an encyclopedia set.
Let's try number 19.
There's a wild card, so there's a match for you. Other encyclopedia at number 20, right next door. 3 panels. Swing them open fast for Henry. He wants to make up for lost ground. Pick again.
Okay, let's try number 7, please.
Ice cream maker.
And number 18.
Wild card again. The other ice cream maker. At number 24. 3 more doors opening up for Henry. He's doing it. Select.
Number 9, please.
Red take.
And number 17.
Diamond and sapphire pendant. Didn't make a match that time. Donna, your turn.
Okay, I'd like to see what's under number 11, please.
Cash pot.
Great.
500.
Okay, and let's see if there's something like that under number 9.
Is there? No, that's the red take.
Oh.
Henry.
8, please.
California Hot Springs Resort
I sure
vacation.
could use one of those wild cards now. Let's see, number 16.
Pair of table lamps. No match. Donna.
How about number 12?
Gas range.
And number 5?
Green take. Henry.
Number 1, please.
Gas range.
And number 16.
Oh, no, that's a pair of table lamps. Donna.
I'd like to see number 12 again.
12, yes.
And match
Gas
that up
range.
with number 1.
Range, match, prize. A look at the puzzle. Go again.
14, please.
California Hot Springs Resort Vacation.
And number 21.
Oh, no. No, big mistake there. Henry?
Okay. Number 6, please.
Red take.
Number 10.
No, green take. Donna?
Number 9.
Red take.
And number 6.
Red tape. There you go. There's a match. I'm not sure that's the one you were trying for, but that's all right. He's got the ice cream maker, the encyclopedia.
I'm going to save it.
All righty. 2 more panels opening up. Select again.
Okay, I'd like to see number 21, please.
2-1 is the California lottery tickets, which we saw a moment ago.
We did, didn't we?
Right there.
Number 13.
Diamond and sapphire pendant, no match. Henry.
Number 25.
Pair of table lamps.
And number 16.
Yes, now we get the table
Table
lamps.
lamps all the way.
Right. Open these doors for Henry Ruckland. Select again, Henry.
Number 4.
200 California lottery tickets.
And number 21, please.
You're right. Take a look again. Do it again, Henry.
Number 2, please.
Still a wild card up there, and there it is.
All right.
Pick something that'll help you.
And number 13.
Dead center. That's the diamond and sapphire pendant. The other one. That's number 17. 3 doors opening up for Henry. Pick again. Oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. Remember, you can't ring in until we have revealed the first box. Number 5. Henry was just a fraction of a second earlier.
Bulletproof vest.
Is it bulletproof vest? Yes, it is. Donna knew it a little while ago. She was waiting for you to make a mistake, and you didn't. You won some good prizes, too. You get to go to work at our board. Go, Henry.
Okay, we have the bull plus the ET, P plus roof, and then the vest for bulletproof vest.
I thought it was kind of interesting, Henry, that when you came over and pointed to the bull, you pointed at this end instead of this end, but that's all right.
Okay.
Donna, you've got the hammocks, and you've got Tahiti. You have $5,581 in prizes. 2 strikes against you, unfortunately, so we'll say goodbye and enjoy Tahiti.
Good luck,
Take care.
Henry.
So long, Donna. All right, and Henry, for you, some prizes. Gee, tell him. He says,
200 California lottery tickets, an ice cream maker, and an encyclopedia set. The new Encyclopedia Britannica, the 32-volume edition for the whole family to use for home study, looking up facts or probing subjects in depth, in handsome black bindings furnished by Encyclopedia Britannica, and a pair of table lamps. Frederick Raymond's New Romantic, a melody of clear-etched glass, hand-beveled acrylic, and solid polished brass, crafted in America, and each a signed original furnished by Frederick Raymond, and a diamond sapphire pendant. Part of Kay Jewelers' classic collection, this elegant pendant contains an oval sapphire surrounded by 12 diamonds, set in 14-karat gold, may add fire to any wardrobe, furnished by Kay Jewelers. And these prizes are worth, oh, Henry, $3,632.
Henry, indeed. We're going to take a break. When we come back, Henry gets his first try at winning a brand new car. Check him out, folks. Henry's got his game playing face on again. 15 numbered squares, base time, 35 seconds. Go for it, Henry. Win a car. Start.
1, 9, 2, 8,
No.
3, 10,
Nope.
4, 11,
Nope.
5, 12,
Nope.
6, 13,
Nope.
12, 13,
Nope.
14, 5,
Yes.
6, 15,
Nope.
4, 10,
Nope.
15, 10.
It didn't work for you,
Yeah, it didn't
but we
work.
ought to credit you with mileage because you really used up a lot of that board out there. But you've got $3,632 in prizes, and you're going to play again. We'll take a break. Game.
Some of today's participants may receive Vitamix stainless steel 3-minute bread maker and home yogurt factory that juices without waste, cooks without burning, freezes instant ice cream, and offers 800 other recipes. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment. Yeah.
See you next time.
Bye.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.